So good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Richard Seshie. I'm a young entrepreneur from Ghana. So I would like to speak with you today about a new venture called Gas.io. And we want to make it easy for persons to actually be able to procure cooking gas in cities. And we're starting with Ghana. Great, so this is me, basically, as you can see. And like millions of persons in Ghana, I also use gas on a daily basis. And as a user of gas, I usually worry with two questions. The first one is, when will I run short of gas? And the second question is, if I do run short of gas, what is the next station where I will be able to actually refill my bottle with gas being available? So basically, I effectively ran out of gas, and I asked one of my friends to go and get gas. But getting gas in Ghana is really challenging. You have traffic jams, so it took him around 1 hour and 30 to just cover 2 miles. You have long queues because people are basically trooping to access gas, and it took him 45 minutes. And it took him another 45 minutes when he decided to walk back. And basically, like you can see, the traditional methods to carry gas in cities are quite primitive and exhausting as well. Okay, so basically this is a real pain people are facing every day, and you'll understand it with the fact that Ghana witnessed around 15 LPG shortages in 2011 alone. So imagine for 30 days people having to go out station by station with the gas on their head and trying to access gas. And when they don't have gas, they have to rely to charcoal, which is polluting. So basically the vision behind Gas.io is to actually facilitate the reliable provision of liquefied gas for everyone. And our solution are twofold. One, we're creating great applications that empower people to have access to the right information. And the second is that we're actually using containers to build what we call last mile distribution services. So an idea of the application, they have two functions. The first one is that they're able to map out on a real basis where at the station where you can actually have gas, okay, and go for it. And the second function is actually to make sure that we monitor their consumption of liquefied gas in a way that we're able to tell them that they will likely run out of gas at this moment. And we're not only focusing we want to extend behind mobile information to also embrace what we call last mile distribution services. The main idea here is just to make sure that we use containers. One huge observation in Ghana is that there are dozens, thousands of containers that are not used. And we want to actually turn it into container gas where people can actually go, have an empty bottle of gas, leave it at the container shop, and then on the next day morning have their bottle of gas. How are we able to do that magic? It's very simple. Is that we are actually able to take advantage of nighttime where we have no traffic, have a partnership with the refilling stations where we actually refill the gas, and then the next morning they have the gas, and within a mile from their home. So like you see, we're right now looking at our targets. You have around 600,000 households in Ghana using gas, and who spend $20 on average. In terms of marketing, we're actually thinking of tapping into having an online presence, looking at radio ads and also roadshow too, which are very interesting in Africa. Now, our roadmap is to make sure that we want to launch a pilot program on the beginning of Q1 2012. And we're pretty sure that we want to have 3 container shops and 10,000 households. And we think that the 8,500 Swiss francs covers fully the cost. About us, I'm the former Community Affairs Coordinator for Microsoft North Africa, and I'm the current Clean Tech Program Director for Green Cross Ghana. So I have a broad experience of it. My partner and co-founder is actually, both of us were rewarded as British Council World Economic Forum Global Changemaker Fellows. So we bring up a real good blend of experience in terms of IT and so on. So basically, this is the idea. So we hope you'll join us on our journey. We deliver gas procurement simplicity. Thank you.